Hello, everybody. We got us a brand new pack of 25, 26 Topps Signature Class. Brand new release from Topps. I saw some of the cards on their website. It looked like they were pretty cool. So let's rip into this thing and see what we can get out of it. Maybe some of these good rookies. Maybe a signature or something. That'd be cool, right? Let's check them out. Very first look. How about a round one, pick 12 of Nikola Topic? That's pretty cool. Obi Toppin. So it tells where their pick was in the draft. Maybe we'll get a number one pick. Like Tyrese Maxey, pick 21st. Man, he should have went sooner than that, right? Here's the backs. Standard Topps information. Ty Jerome. Pele Larson. No rookies yet, but there's something really cool in the next card. Let's go to the back one. There's a rookie. Ace Bailey rookie. Picked 5th in round one. Now let's go to our back card. It is a Cole Anthony parallel. Well, that's pretty cool. What'd you guys think? Are you going to rush out and get some of these? You probably should. Well, until next time, we'll rip us another one. Bye.